So your bust divided by 2 plus 3 inches. My bust is 34. 34 divided by 2 is 17 plus 3 inches. That's 20. That was how I got this box. Now you divide the box into 2 equal parts for the front and for the back. So after that, put your back length measurement on the other side of the pattern paper, the where you use for your back. My back length is 16. So from your center front, you put your shoulder measurement, your shoulder divided by 2. Mine is 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5. Then you get the width of your neck width. Mine is 3, then the depth is 3. So you use any curve, like you use the curve as shown. So from your pattern paper, from the top, you get your chest line. Your chest line is your bust divided by 6 plus 1 plus 1.5 inches. So you mark it to the back. So after marking it, you put your shoulder measurement on your chest line and then mark it to your shoulder. Come down by 1.5 inches and connect it to your neck width. So on your back, you put your back measurement, your shoulder measurement, and then connect it to your chest line as shown. After that, you come down by 1 inch for the back, 1 inch for the back. Then come down by 1 inch again for the depth of your shoulder. After that, you divide your armhole by 2 and then mark. Then go in the center front, go in by 0.75 inches and then connect it as shown. Then for the back, you go in by 0.5 inches and then connect it as shown. Come down by 1.5 inches for your nipple points. 1.5 inches work for everyone once you have gotten your chest line. Now mark your underbust measurements and then your waist measurement. The difference between my front and back length is 1 inch. That's why you are seeing the line there. Now for your back slant, to avoid zip bulge, I went in by 0.5 inches from the waist of the back. Then I marked it to my neck depth as shown. Now I'm imputing the measurement. My bust measurement is 36, while my waist measurement is 28 plus 1 inch. I divided it by 4. Now use your French curve as shown to connect the armhole. Then you put your bust measurement on your back and then your waist measurement plus the ½ inch for the back slant. Now your nipple measurement, your nipple to nipple, that's your bust span divided by 2. Your bust span divided by 2, that's what I'm placing now. your bust span divided by 2. Then you mark it. And then you mark the difference between your back and your front. That's 1 inch. That's what I put there. You mark it. Don't forget to mark this because it will alter your pattern if you do not mark it. Now I took 0.5 inch on both sides for my dart intake. Now for the back, I put my bust span measurement, and then I came down by 1 inch from the chest line, and then I took ½ inch on both sides too. Okay, I'm trying to cut out the pattern so that I'll be able to close my bust dart. Don't forget to align your bust dart properly so that you will not have any issue.